So I have shared it, and is it visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Okay. So today we are going to start our discussion session, and let me know who want to participate first. Just raise your hands, and I will call your names. Okay? Then you will be able to participate. So here we have some basics to advanced vocabulary, and that is about a health and hospital. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, very good. So here, some exam. There is a examine, diagnose, and prescribed. Okay, perform surgery and recover. So anybody who want to participate? Yes, dear students. Okay. Examine. The doctor examined the patients carefully. The physician diagnosed the illness correctly. Okay, prescribed. The doctor prescribed antibiotics for the infection. And perform surgery. The surgeon performed surgery to save the patient's life and recovered. She recovered quickly after the treatments. So there are some vocabularies so you can use in your uh, when you are going to perform about how do people prepare for exams. Okay. Okay. So who want to participate? How do people prepare for exams? You have a template, you can use it, and you can perform in. Okay. Yes, dear students, you have to raise your hands. Okay, Andaleep is here. Yes, Andaleep, unmute yourself and tell us
Yes, ma'am.
about
Assalamu alaikum.
for exams. Wa alaikum assalam, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
Okay, I'm good. Okay, dear, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say something about how do people prepare for exam. Mostly, students prepare for exam because they have to pass that grade or that class. So they work hard. Some students have good interest in learning something, or they have some goals to achieve. So they pass their degree from class one or nursery or prep two onward. So they choose their, and then they can qualify it and they choose their profession. They work hard, or some students are don't want to or don't interest in their study, but their but their parents pull them, or they want that their children to be a good professional or in their life, so they put them in the school. So mostly people prepare for the exam because some people are really work hard because they have to succeed in that grade or that class. Some students have good IQ level, so they accept their um, basic points, or they thoroughly understand that lecture that are delivered in the class by the teachers. So they memorize something from them, and then they read the books, and then search many topics from the internet for the preparation of their exams. Here, some things are
Okay.
mentioned in the slide. Some people making notes, and it is only in the higher level classes that students make their notes. They write down the important points there, and then they also search some other topics or some other related material to that topic. So they making their notes, and then it helps them in their exam. Some people
Okay.
work hard thoroughly, so they revise their all the syllabus in the exam before the paper or the before the exam. Or other things are also mentioned here, that some people are practicing past papers, or also taking help because some patterns or the idea is given there that how type of paper is given in
Okay,
their paper or exam.
okay,
Some
dear, you
people,
did.
uh,
Okay,
yes,
that's
ma'am.
you did very well. Nice try. Okay, now Aisha is
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
here. You're welcome. Yes, Aisha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Why do people prepare for exams? Ma'am, I think if I talk about the intelligent students, they try to learn all the topics and all the things like with the time. Whenever they attend their class, they try to cover it on that day, and they also make their notes, and they also try to complete whole syllabus like according to their time according to their schedule. And if I talk about moderate students, who are not intelligent and not who are average students, they usually prefer to do they divide their work because they don't take a burden because they are not too much intelligent. So that's why they prefer to divide their work in different days, and they make their schedule, and they make their timetable to complete their all the course. And students are very their IQ system is very good, I think. They do usually they usually just take the concept of the topic, and they just prefer to do it by themselves. And because of their IQ level, and I am telling this because that's why I am one of that student. I in my life I didn't do rule learning. I hate rule learning because it's very difficult to learn every word by word things, and it's very difficult to learn. And I always prefer to take the concept. Whenever you can clear your concept, you will feel very easy to appear in exam and to elaborate a topic. It's very easy. And I think a good student, a intelligent student always prefer to take the concept so that he can easily prepare for the exam. And if you prefer that you can do rule learning, and you can do this, it's a little bit difficult. And some people also they also prepare their exam by doing their good healthy habits, by eating healthy. Some people also believe that if we will eat almonds, it will help us, it will increase our IQ level, it will increase it will sharp our mind. So I think it's also good. And because whenever we can do our diet good, we can't study. It's very difficult for us to focus on our studies. So it's very necessary to do your diet, to have a wonderful dinner, lunch, and breakfast. Breakfast is very necessary for a student
Very
life.
good.
And they also a good student also try to listen their teachers carefully, because if we read our things, our notes, and each and everything, if we listen our teacher always gives some points which are not written in our books, but it helps us a lot to give our exam more good. These are our plus
Okay,
points. So this is how I
Aisha,
think a student prepare for exams.
very well done. Very well done. You did very great. Okay, now it's
Thank you,
turn
ma'am.
for you're welcome, Mrs. Asma Khan. Now it's your turn. Unmute yourself kindly.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, how do people prepare for exams? So, in my opinion, exam are very important in every student's life, and people prepare for exam in many different way. Good preparation help students feel confident and do well in their test. So, some students, those are intelligent, and those believe that they making their own notes on daily basis after taking classes, and during exam they just revise them all, and they are prepared for exam. And some people make timetable, and according to timetable they are revising their subjects, and they can get ready for exam. And many students they decide what subject to study each day. This help them manage their time properly and finish them their timetable syllabus on time. and a timetable can keep them organized and focused, and they can evaluate which subject they are weak, or which subject they are strong. So if they are weak in some subject, they are getting and sorry they are giving more time for understanding this subject and for getting good marks. And students read their notes and textbook carefully, and they note their point during lecture which teachers are giving them. And many people students are not to take a time not making a timetable for preparation exam, because they are just taking the lecture their teachers, and they make their own notes during exam, or they are not in intention for exam. So different students have different ways to prepare their exam, and many people practice old question paper sample test, or they are using 5-year paper. This help them understand the type of question and that come in exam. So it is also improve their speech and writing skill. And I think some student like to study in a group, and they combine together with friends, and they are making preparation, and they are doing preparation for their exam. They are solving and they are discussion with their friends. So I think these are the ways which by students are prepared for the exam.
Very good, very good. You did very well, Asma. Now it's turn for Munaza. Yes, Munaza, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Okay, to prepare for exam, people typically create a study schedule. They and cover all the topics they need to learn, and also they review their class notes and textbook to understand the material better. And also practicing with sample questions or past paper is also helpful. Some students work in group to study together, ask teachers or tutors for help, and focus on the topic they find most difficult. And also taking care of their health is important. Getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, and drinking water help them stay focused and perform well. And many students, like intelligent students, use special techniques like making a flashcard, drawing concept maps, or using memory tricks to remember important information. And so overall, by staying organized, managing stress, and following their study plan, student can feel more confident and prepared for the exam. So this helps them do their best and achieve good results.
Very good, very good. You did very well, Munaza. Okay, who is the next? Okay, Zaham. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Tell us about how do people prepare for exams.
People prepare exam. First of all, he go and buy the notes and buy the past papers. And before exam, he he try to more practice to difficult subjects, and try to prepare difficult subjects, and go to friend home, and go to friend
Yes, you
home uh,
study.
go to friend home and study and group study. And sometimes people go in school and asking for teacher to make the go to
Yes,
for, go for teacher and say and ask a teacher to make the help for preparation the exams. And in my opinion, exam preparation requires notes, past papers, and good sleep. And uh, every person mindset is different. Some people's practicing before exam, and some people's practice in the exams. Jo some lazy peoples are prepare exam in current days, when the exam is coming. But in my opinion,
Okay.
exam preparation is after 2 to 3 months you practicing and you revising your subject, your difficult subject, your uh, difficult headings. So
Okay. Yes, nice try. Okay, Shaista Naz is the next. Yes, unmute yourself, dear.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum
Uh,
assalam.
Today my discussion topic is how do people prepare for exams. The exam is very important in student lives, and the students prepare for exam many ways. They make notes and revise their syllabus, and they call all syllabus their mind. Students also practicing past papers. They study and learn past 5 years papers and refresh all their syllabus in their mind, and improve their learning. Some people, students do a group study, and they manage their time well, and they don't burden themselves. They daily uh, 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 they daily prepare for their exam. They done their do their daily work and revise their daily
They make
work and progress themselves. People people also prepare themselves for asking question their teachers. They help their teachers how can they how can they prepare for themselves for exam. People are also
okay.
from staying healthy. They yes,
You
ma'am.
did very well. Okay, you did very well. Nice try. So, and Nimra is also here. She want to participate. Yes, Nimra, unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum.
Okay, mm, how do people prepare for exam? This is for mostly people they prepare for exam in different ways. Everyone has their own perspective, but uh, I have seen a lot of people they do prepare their exam with the focusing like with their making some kind of notes and preparing it from those lectures and like in very short period they do prepare it for the exams. But in my opinion, exam preparation should require specifically it required sleep a well sleep pattern. And the other thing is when they have a proper diet for their like they don't have a proper they don't they have a specific place like a distraction free study environment they have, and they should focus on different engaging materials like questions, quizzes, and all this. They should regularly review these all things. And like for effective exam preparation, one should focus on their physical and mental health first. And then
Okay.
secondly,
Okay.
they have a structured resources that should be textbooks and library references. And in this way, they can study well in for their
Okay.
exams.
Okay, that's great, Nimra. You did very well. Okay, so Mudassira Yasmin. Yes, Mudassira Yasmin, unmute yourself kindly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How do people prepare for exams? To prepare for exams, first of all, they should have to adopt mm, best healthy habits because healthy body will have the healthy mind. And secondly, they should avoid the habits are which creates a distraction in their studies, such as overuse of social media and screen time, and they have to made a schedule, and they strictly have to obey the rules set by teachers, and the regular revision makes them help them in exams preparation.
Okay, well done. Okay, well done, Madhusra. Nice try. Okay, Ikram Bajwa is also here. Yes, unmute yourself.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, tell us about how do
Yes.
people prepare for exams?
There are many ways to for preparation to exam there, but some people have a different kind of resolving this kind of phenomena exams. uh, I felt that some kind of people adopt a different kind of strategies to preparation for exams. Some makes the schedules for study, and also some people adopt the organize of their notes and different kind of resources, gathered resources from all over the different kind of different kind of use tools, like different, and also uh, learning techniques also, that some people likes to study prepare self testing, and some people love to be using the past exam papers for understanding and for countering the preparation. And some people have an idea to develop their thoughts, and be bringing the clarity of a concept, that some people take the support from the other academic institutions, like uh, Wikipedia or other resources and tools they use there. But effective preparation, I feel that, I reckon that it is also, it includes the setting of the conductive study environment. The main thing is that you have must have an environment, study environment. It may be the your self study, it may be comprises of that group study. But and also it's very important that you, for the preparation, it's very important that you have to be stress free. If you are under stress, it's very difficult to prepare your exams.
Okay, that's great. You did very well, Ikram. Okay, so next is Bakhtavar. Yes, Bakhtavar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, people, I think people they prepare for exams. Voice people they prepare for exams on time. So they listen to lectures carefully and revise them every day. And before exams, they make a study plan and follow it. They also read their notes and revise them, and sometimes do group study. And they have sometimes they have to stay up late if needed, and they also reduce their screen time and avoid extra visits. So this way they prepare themselves for exams.
Okay, well done, well done. So now
Thank
it's
you.
turn for Nasir Ashraf. Yes, Nasir, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I am audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, ma'am. Um, Students prepare for exam by making proper notes and revising them on daily basis. Some students also practice past paper to understand the pattern uh, and improve their writing speed. Some students prefer group study, which helps them share ideas and solve difficult questions together. In my opinion, exam preparation requires good time management and guidance from teachers. And some students also use study apps to make their preparation more effective and organized.
Very good, very good. You did very well. Nice try.
And that's
So here, Ikra Bashir. Ikra, unmute yourself. Yes, Ikra, unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Some people prepares for exam by making notes and practicing past paper and giving test. Some people prepare for exam by management and reading the books properly and writing skills improve so that uh, so that they will exam very well.
Okay. Okay. So you did very well, Ikra. So here we have Khadija. Unmute yourself. Yes, Khadija. Unmute yourself, dear. Okay. So Varda is also here. Yes, Varda, unmute yourself, dear. So, yes, Komal Shahzadi. Komal, unmute yourself, dear. Now it's your turn. How do people prepare for exams? You can also follow the
Assalamualaikum.
how to start. People prepare for exams by, in my opinions, exams preparation requires and most students study by. So,
Okay, ma'am. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Uh, People prepare for exam in different ways. Some students make a study plan to manage their time better. Many people like to study in a quick place where they can focus easily. Some students practice past papers to understand the exam patterns. Others discuss lesson with friends to clear their doubts. Uh, some like to study in groups, others prefer to study alone. They also take practice tests to check their progress. Eating healthy food and sleeping well help them stay active and focused.
Okay, well done. Nice try. So, anybody else who want to participate, just raise your hands. Yes, Varda and okay, Khadija is also here. Yes, Khadija, do you want to participate? Okay. So now, dear students, we are moving forward to another activity that is about tongue twisters for the pronunciation and fluency. Okay. So here we have something that Peter Piper picked up a pack of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter. Okay, so who want to participate? Just raise your hands and I will call your names. Yes, Aisha is here. Aisha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled paper, big black bugs, bleed black blood, beaty butter, about some butter.
Okay. Next is Mrs. Asma Khan. Yes, Mrs. Asma Khan, unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Pitcher Piper pick a peak of pickled pepper, big black bug, bleed black blood, beachy water bout some butter. Pitcher Piper pick a peak of pickled pepper, big black bug, bleed black blood, peachy water bought some butter.
Betty Butter bought some butter. Okay,
Beachy water bought some butter.
very good. So Munazza is also here. Yes, Munazza, unmute yourself.
Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Big black bug bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Okay, once again.
Okay. Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Very good. Okay. So, Asma Khan, did you practice? Okay, Komal is here. Komal, unmute yourself.
Uh, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter.
Okay, once again.
Uh, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Petty Butter bought some butter.
Very good. Nice try. Okay. Zaham is here. Zaham, unmute yourself.
Yes, I am ready. Peter
Go ahead.
Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter. Pe- Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Big big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter.
Okay, well done. Nice try. Yes, Namra. Namra, unmute yourself. Yes, dear. Time is running out. Hurry up. Okay, Nasser Ishraf, unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Are you calling my name?
Yes, I was calling your name.
Sorry. Okay, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Big black bug bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Very good. Very good. Nice try. Okay, who's the next?
I am ready,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, okay, go ahead, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Well done. Nice try. Okay, who's the next? Yes, Bakhtawar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter. Peter Piper picks a pack of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter.
Okay, nice try. Yes, okay. Who want to participate? Yes. Andaleep, have you done?
Ma'am, I want to participate again.
Okay, Aisha, go ahead, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter.
Okay, well done. Nice try. Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Hunfa, you're welcome. Yes, Hunfa, unmute yourself. Yes, Ikra, Khadija, who want to participate, dear? Varda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear, go ahead.
Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Big black bugs bled black blood.
Bleed black
Betty
bug. Bleed black
big
bug.
big big black bug bled black blood. Betty
Black.
bought some butter.
Okay. Who is the next? Who want to participate? Yes. We have few minutes. Who want to participate, dear? I'm calling your names. Varda, Khadija. You're not responding. Hunfa. Yes, Andaleep. Are you ready?
Yes,
Andaleep.
ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Okay. Once again.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Well done. Nice try, dear. Okay, Asma Yasmin, unmute yourself. It's a tongue twisters for pronunciation and fluency. So you have joined now. You can participate. Asma Yasmin, unmute yourself, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Peter Pepper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Big black bugs bleed black blood. Betty Butter bought some butter.
Okay. So you do you want to participate for this task? How do people prepare for exams?
No, ma'am. I will take some time in it.
Okay, no problem. So who is
Thank
there
you.
who wants to participate more? Yes, Khadija and Varda, you are not responding. Yes, Hunfa is also here.
Okay, Miss. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Sorry for late
assalam.
joining you. Okay,
No problem.
let me
Yeah.
start. Mhm. Okay, let me start from the tongue twister. Right, Peter Picker picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Big black bug, bleed black blood. Big black bugs, big black blood. Betty Botter bought some butter. Betty Botter bought some butter.
Okay, it's a Peter Piper, okay? Peter Piper picked
Yes,
a
yes.
pack of papers, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you want to practice about how do people prepare for exams?
Yes, Miss. I can start. Yes, in our country or any country, it depends on the person to person how to prepare the exam. Many good hard worker as a good hard worker student prepare already prepared themselves before the exam by taking the regular classes and doing the regular homeworks and near to exam they prepare themselves by having the time management and practicing more and more and if their concepts are not clear they contact with their teachers or with chat gpts nowadays in our cell phones and by group discussion. This is the way how the good hard worker as well as regular student prepare their exam. And for those who didn't, who neglect their classes and are not regular, always become stressed during near the exam because they have a lot of syllabus to prepare for themselves. That's why they become worried and they can't manage their time to cover all the syllabus or when either they cover or practice it's very difficult for those students to prepare the exam and some students are really much intelligent they doesn't need too much hard work to prepare for their exam even they didn't take the classes just they listen the teacher during their class works and those words I think copy in their mind and they prepare and they prepare the exam just before the date and succeed in their exams and
Okay.
these are the categories of the students to prepare the exams.
Okay, well done. You did very well. Okay, Varda. So who want to participate next? Yes, Hunfa and yes, Ikram. Do you want to
Yes.
participate?
Okay. Which kind of topic I have to participate?
You can also practice about how do people prepare for exams, and also you can practice tongue twisters for pronunciation and fluency. Okay.
No, I'm not interested in a tongue twister. Again, the first phase I have described about the preparation of exams, and another phase I will
That is
tell
twister.
about the exam preparation of the exams. Is it good? or not? Tell me.
Yes, yes. You can
Uh,
participate with the tongue twisters. Okay?
tongue twister, I'm not. I think right now I'm not interested in this tongue twister right now. How do people prepare? I have they described earlier, I think.
Yes, you have participated, but it's a very
Please
good
check
for the
which
tongue
time
twister.
your class is.
Sorry,
Yes,
Varda,
yes,
what
Farda.
she is saying.
Yes, Farda,
No,
what you
miss, I
want to say?
just want to ask about the timing of your class. This class, I think 45, 3:45 up till.
Yeah, it's an hour, dear.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so who want to participate? Yes, dear. Who is left? Okay, Nazmeen Iqbal, unmute yourself. Yes, Nazmeen Iqbal. Okay. So anybody else who want to participate again?
I want to participate, but you may change the slide. Is it okay? Uh,
Dear,
Can I
it's
try some sentences with
Yeah,
provide
like we
words?
can just use the vocabulary